Hi everyone, today we're doing something new at our little farm. What we're doing today is we bought the beehives, yes, beehives, and I got one beehive full set, so it's all ready to go, just need to put it there. And the other one is just the hives in the, like a swarm, in the nut or in the small box with the, I think, 7 frames, and then all I have to do is just transfer that into my own beehive, which I already got. So stay with me, let's see how that works. Ready to go, guys. Look at my new hive. That small box is where the swarm is, so we need to transfer that over into the box. Into the hive. First time, so I've never done it before. This is the first time. So as you can see, this was the actual box where they come in, the swarm box or nuke, and then we transferred them to in this box. So this is the full set I've got, and I've transferred them into this one. So all I did was they had the frames here already. I think there were 7 frames. So I put those frames there. I couldn't spot the queen, but they were really going mad. So I'm hoping that the queen is in there somewhere, but I did notice some eggs in some of those frames. So yeah, queen must be there, but it's just a matter of, but hopefully they should start going in there now. They will be able to smell the brooder frames which were already used in this box. Yeah, as you can see, they're gathering around the incense. So I think they all should be going in there. But look at them, they're going mad. Trying to attack my face. I'm sorry, I'm protected for now anyway. Smoke helped calm them a bit. I won't touch this other box yet. I'll need to add another box on top, but I'll do that maybe next week or so once these guys are settled down. I did notice in a couple of these frames there was some honey there, so they must have started building honey already. I'll leave them now, I think, for maybe an hour or so, and let them go in and check their new house. And once they're in, then yeah, I'll come back in an hour and check, make sure they're all in. Still trying to spot the queen. I'm hoping she is gone inside already on one of those frames. Yes, so easy when they show it on the cameras, YouTube's. Yeah, I struggled. First time I was a bit nervous as well. But these clothes protected me well. So I've tied it up, as you noticed. This is just so the box won't move with the wind and stuff, or animals touches it, so that's nice and stable now. That other box hasn't been tied up, and I'll do that next time. Alright, I think that's it. I'll leave them now and then come back in an hour. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I'm just helping you. Just made your house bigger. And did you notice I put the number there? That's our radio number, so we have to register it here in Australia. Get the certificate first, so I'm registered for I can have at least 10 hives. Alright, I'll put this stuff back. Alright guys, so what I've done here is that old box which I got the bees from, I just put some frames in there and I'll tie it up to this tree just in case if there is any new swarm comes up from these the hives which I've got them over there. So not sure if it's going to work, but just leaving it there as a backup if they do swarm. You know what swarm is, where they have a new queen and some of them go apart and leave the hive and then go on to something else. So I'm hoping if they do that, then I've got this set up, so yeah, they may be able to come here. So let's see how this goes. But in the meantime, I'll keep an eye. I'll go back and show you the bees. Here you go, as you can see, these are all gone in now. 2 hives ready. And there's plenty of flowers around. So they're just going and doing their job. Alright, I'll leave them now. Alright, everyone. Yeah, sorry, I haven't finished the video, but just came back now and yeah, just wrapping it up basically. It was a pretty busy day. We've been doing some mowing the lawn and some other stuff around the house. So, but the bees was done. I think they look pretty happy. I just went back. They all gone in now in the box, and it's just getting evening time. So I think they are settled. So basically, once this wind stops, it's been just too windy. But as I showed you before, I think they're really working. So can't wait for that first honey harvest. I'll make sure I show you. Thanks guys. Bye. By the way, this is not just my first video for bees. I mean, not just my first bee experience, but my first video experience as well. So